this is to confirm that I have received the second part of my payment, the prize for the video contest. The complete payment has been made and the MetaForce has fulfilled their promise. Let me just show you this money seated in my wallet right away. MetaForce is the force. Alright guys, we're going to my wallet right away. I want to show you the complete payment made by MetaForce. The money was completed today, and I just want to take you to my wallet for you to see. MetaForce has fulfilled their promise. Alright, so if you click here, you can see the money that I just received. This was the money I just received right now. You can see yesterday from the video I made, it was $100. Today you can see it's $203 there. So guys, this is the money right away seated in my account. If you are not doing MetaForce, you are doing yourself a harm. You can imagine, if you're a Nigerian, how much is this in Nigerian money? Guys, do MetaForce, and MetaForce will take you to great places. Thank you. This is the Blessed Man from Nigeria.